Everyone. So in the previous video we discussed about the digital to analog converter using binary weighted resistor. So in this video we'll see digital to analog converter with R to R resistor, that is which is a combination of R and 2R resistors which are connected in parallelly. Okay, so in the binary weighted resistor the binary inputs are getting converted into an analog signal. Here also the binary inputs, that is the digital inputs, are converted into an analog signal but using with R to R parallel combination of resistors. Okay, so here also the op amp is operating in the inverting mode, that is inputs are connected to the inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. From the concept of virtual ground, since the non-inverting terminal is grounded, so the inverting terminal is also at the ground potential, so that VID, the potential difference between the two terminals, is 0 and the op amp bias current will also be the 0. Okay, so there are 4 switches. Since we have a 4 binary inputs, there are 4 switches, so each switch is connected to either plus 5 volts or connected to a ground. Okay, so now suppose we'll take an example now. So binary inputs are when the MSB bit B3. So when the MSB bit B3 is connected to plus 5 volt and all other remaining switches are grounded. That is when the input combination is 0001. Okay, 0001. That is we are saying MSB. 1000, that is when the input is 8. Okay, so by solving this circuit using Thevenin's equivalent, now the Thevenin's equalizing circuit can be represented with RTH. So whole this resistance is replaced by a Thevenin's resistance, Thevenin's equivalent resistance RTH, such that the RTH is given by this equation, which is equal to 2R. So on solving this, we'll get it as a 2R, that is equal to 20 kilo ohm. The 2R value is 20 kilo ohm. So now reducing this equation, when the MSB bit, that is B3, is 1. Okay, so now reducing this equation, so we'll get it as, that is this 2R resistance, that is the switch which is connected to 2R is this, and the remaining part of this is reduced by the Thevenin's equivalent. So that is RTH, that is equal to 2R, that is equal to 20 kilo ohm. So the non-inverting terminal is grounded, inverting terminal is at the 0 potential and it is connected to 20 kilo ohm resistance. So the negative input is at the virtual ground, therefore the current through RTH is 0. So we can observe here, since this is connected to ground, now the current through RTH will be 0. No current will flow through RTH. But the current, since it is now this 2R is connected to, that is switch B3 is connected to plus 5 volt. Therefore the current through 2R will be 5 volts divided by 2R. 2R is 20 kilo, that is 5 divided by 20, that is 0.25 milliamps. The same current, the input current of an op amp is 0, therefore the same current will flow through RF. Therefore the output voltage V0 will be minus 20, that is RF into minus 2.25 milliamp, that is equal to minus 5 volt. So using the same analysis for all the 16 combination, so we can calculate what is V0, and in the same way the input is converted, that is binary input is converted into output, so analog output. So the maximum or full scale output, that is when all the inputs are high, so the equation for the output voltage is given by minus RF into B3 divided by 2R plus B2 divided by 4R plus B1 divided by 8R plus B0 divided by 16R. Okay, so this is the equation when all the inputs are high. So this disadvantages of R to R resistor is, so it is more difficult to analyze, as we have observed, since there are more number of resistance. So compared to binary weighted resistor, the analysis of the analysis of the circuit is very difficult as the binary input is increased. Since we have applied only 4 inputs, so we have reduced the circuit. When the inputs goes beyond the 4 inputs, or when the inputs has been increased, it is very difficult to analyze the circuit. So this is the main disadvantage of R2R resistors compared to binary weighted resistors. Thank you.